Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can organize your files in Google Drive. So first of all, let me go here and type Google Drive. Then you can go here drive.google.com. And now here you can see I have some files. So now I want to organize these files into a folder. Let me show you how I can do that. First of all, let me go here on the top left corner. Then now add a new folder. And here I can add a name, for example work. Then click on create a folder. Now folder is created, and if you want to move some of the files, then simply you can press the control button and select these files. After that, on the top here you can see move button. Click here, and now you can select the folder. Now all of the files are moved inside this folder. So now you can access these files here. In this way you can easily organize your documents and files in Google Drive.